This isn't a concept. This camper actually doubles its space in real life. This might be the smartest space design ever put inside a camper. At first glance, it looks like a compact van, but the moment you step inside, everything changes. This is the all-new Venture S, and what makes it different is not just how it looks, but how intelligently every inch of space has been designed to transform. Now, the dimensions might surprise you. It's only 6.45 meters long and 2.16 meters wide, which puts it firmly in the compact category. But once you step inside, it doesn't feel compact at all. The reason is the entirely new floor plan. Everything here is designed to extend, transform, and adapt depending on how you use it. Starting from the rear, this is where the experience really opens up. You've got a spacious seating area that feels more like a lounge than a typical camper setup. The centerpiece here is this solid bamboo table. It's not just fixed in place, it's fully adjustable. You can pull it out, raise it up, and create a much larger surface for dining or working. And when you don't need all that space, you can partially close it or fold it away completely. It's quick, smooth, and doesn't feel like a compromise. Right next to it, you'll notice something simple but very practical, a bamboo cutting board. It fits seamlessly into the kitchen area and instantly adds extra workspace. And if that's not enough, you can extend the kitchen surface even further by pulling out a drawer and placing the board on top. So in seconds, you go from a compact kitchen to a surprisingly spacious prep area. The details here matter. Even the push locks on the cabinets have been designed with premium materials, including real leather touchpoints. It gives a more refined, tactile feel every time you interact with the interior. These aren't just functional elements. They're part of the overall experience. Moving into the kitchen setup, you've got a 115-liter compressor fridge, which is quite generous for a vehicle designed for 2 people. It's more than enough for longer trips without constantly needing to restock. Storage is also well thought out, with optional EPP storage boxes that help organize kitchen essentials neatly and efficiently. Another standout feature is the multifunctional rail system installed along the walls. This is where customization really comes into play. You can attach different accessories depending on your needs, reading lights, speakers, tablet holders, even a projector setup. The LED reading lights can be placed anywhere along these rails, giving you flexibility in how you light the space. And yes, even the sound system integrates into this setup, making it both practical and immersive. Storage, in general, is everywhere, but it's hidden smartly. The kitchen area alone offers multiple compartments to keep everything organized. Then you've got additional storage under the stairs, which is cleverly designed so it doesn't take away from the living space. Instead, it uses areas that would otherwise go unused. There are also hidden compartments that weren't even part of the original concept version. These additions make the production model even more practical. You've got hanging space for clothes, drawers for smaller items, and extra compartments for anything else you might need on a trip. It's all about maximizing every inch without making it feel cluttered. Now, let's talk about the bathroom, because this is where things get really interesting. At first glance, it looks compact, and it is, but it's designed in a way that transforms completely when needed. You've got a toilet and a sink integrated into a clean, well-finished space using high-quality materials like bamboo. But the real highlight is the shower system. With a simple mechanism, you unlock the wall, rotate it, and suddenly the bathroom expands into a full-sized shower area. It's not a tight, uncomfortable space. It feels open and usable, more like what you'd expect at home. The floor is level, so you don't lose any headroom or comfort while showering. And when you're done, everything folds back into place just as easily. The sink becomes accessible again, the shower disappears, and the space goes back to being compact. This kind of transformation is what makes the entire vehicle feel larger than it actually is. Now moving upward, instead of a ladder, you get a proper staircase leading to the upper level. This is a big deal because it adds both comfort and safety. The steps are made from real bamboo, matching the rest of the interior, and they feel solid underfoot. Upstairs is the main sleeping area, located within the pneumatic pop-up roof. This is where you really notice the clever design. The roof opens up to create a spacious sleeping environment for two people, and the angle allows you to look outside easily. So when you're lying down, you can actually enjoy the view or look at the sky, which adds a completely different dimension to the experience. The mattresses are air-based and connected to the same pneumatic system as the roof. This means you can adjust the firmness on each side individually. Whether you prefer a softer or firmer feel, you can set it exactly how you like. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in comfort, especially on longer trips. Technology is another strong point here. The vehicle is fully connected through a central 7-inch display and a dedicated mobile app. From this system, you can monitor water levels, battery status, lighting, and more. You can control the lights, adjust brightness, and even create custom settings or scenarios. For example, you can turn on the heating remotely before you arrive, so the interior is already warm. The same goes for air conditioning and other systems. It adds a level of convenience that you don't usually see in this category. Now stepping outside, the design continues to impress. The entry door uses RFID locking, which makes access simple and secure. The exterior coating is also worth mentioning. It's a highly durable elasticoat finish that protects against scratches, stones, and general wear. It's built to handle rough conditions without compromising the look of the vehicle. Performance-wise, this comes with all-wheel drive as standard, along with a 190 horsepower engine and automatic transmission. So it's not just about comfort, it's capable on the road as well. The 10-inch MBUX system adds a modern interface for navigation and control. The wheels come standard as 16-inch, but you can upgrade to 18-inch alloy options if you want a more aggressive look. There's also smart storage integrated into the exterior. For example, the gas bottle compartment is hidden neatly, and because the vehicle uses diesel heating, you only need a small 5-kilogram gas bottle. Most of the service systems are hidden underneath the vehicle rather than on the sidewalls. This keeps the exterior clean and uncluttered while still being fully functional. One of the biggest highlights outside is the open rear area. This is where indoor and outdoor living come together. You can sit in the rear lounge and enjoy the view directly, almost like a balcony on wheels. There's also a rear platform that can handle up to 350 kilograms, so you can stand there comfortably or use it for additional gear. There's even a ladder that lets you access the upper terrace area easily. From there, you get an elevated view, which is perfect when you're parked in scenic locations. It adds another layer to the whole experience of traveling. Additional storage compartments are placed on the sides, including an external shower with both hot and cold water and a 230-volt power socket. These features make it more practical for outdoor use, especially during longer stays. The vehicle also offers optional underfloor air conditioning, which is stored in a dedicated compartment. This is a smart move because it keeps the roof clear. Speaking of the roof, it's equipped with 3 115-watt solar panels, providing a solid amount of off-grid power. Because the air conditioning unit is placed underneath rather than on the roof, you get more usable space up top and better aerodynamics. And if you choose not to include the air conditioning, that same compartment can be used for additional storage. The energy system overall is designed for efficiency. With diesel heating, a compressor fridge, and solar panels, you minimize reliance on gas and external power sources. That's why the small gas bottle is enough. It's simply not needed as much. Everything about this vehicle is built around smart design, flexibility, and real usability. It's not just about adding features. It's about making sure every feature actually improves the experience without adding unnecessary complexity. And that's what makes this stand out. It doesn't feel like a compromise between size and comfort. Instead, it shows what's possible when every detail is designed with purpose. If you thought this was just another camper, this one clearly proves how far smart design can go. What really stands out here isn't just the features, it's how everything works together. From the transforming bathroom to the expandable kitchen, from hidden storage to the rooftop sleeping space, every part has a purpose. Nothing feels wasted, and nothing feels forced. And that's the real takeaway. This isn't about adding more, it's about designing better, taking a compact size and turning it into something that actually feels open, comfortable, and practical for real use. So if this is where camper design is heading, then honestly, the future looks very efficient. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more smart designs like this, make sure to subscribe and stay connected.